In video recordings, we can edit, but in live performance, we cannot. You are going to be live in front of thousands or hundreds of people on the stage, and if you do a single mistake, you don't have second opportunity to correct it. So I'm going to explain you about what you should do before going on the stage and what you should do before entering into your interview room. One thing I noticed was girls, first of all, girls gossip, talk, laugh, fight a lot with each other. Generally boys don't do that, but girls have a lot of habit of talking, and you got to stay away from it. And not on the day of your finale, and not of the day of your interview. One secret before going on the stage, one secret I'll share with you, and you will tell me that, ma'am, it works like wonders. Don't talk to me. That's the secret. It's not a very out of the way secret, but it's a method. Generally, people talk and gossip or do whatever, and what they talk, seriously, I do. Before entering on the stage, you're not going to talk to anyone. At least for 30 to 40 minutes minimum. If you need something, ask for it. If you just a needed conversation, and that's it. Even if you I don't want you to get into gossiping and talking and how much audience is there and what all people are doing and how many people are there. No. You are going to only perform your duty. You will go on the stage, yes, with smile, with confidence, with poise in your eyes. You're going to walk. You're going to come back. Come, sit for 10 minutes and then talk to whomever you want. But after finishing all your pageant walking rounds, whatever rounds we have, traditional round, gown round, cocktail round, till the time you do not finish your finale, you're not going to talk to anyone. It's a request. This is something you need to do for yourself. There is a science behind it. Let me tell you. Speaking is energy. Talking is energy. Engaging with someone, it means you're wasting more energy. And you have something else on your mind before going on the stage. What I want you to do, what I want your psychology to be before going on stage is just your visualization. That whenever you get chance, you'll close your eyes. You'll see yourself walking beautifully on stage, coming back, and that's it. And additionally, you can even imagine that people are so happy with your performance. So I'll tell you the visualization that I have closed my eyes. Just close your eyes also right now. Close your eyes. Whichever costume you're wearing right now, you'll imagine yourself in that for that particular time. Close your eyes. See your grand entry. You're coming with confidence, poise, and smile. You walk, you stop, then you walk, whatever your choreography is going to be there. When you face the audience, look into their eyes. Even in walking session, we have. I have spoken about this, but I'm again telling you this, that look, just see that you are giving everybody eye contact and they are cherishing your name, they are clapping, they are shouting, they are screaming, and they are like, wow, once more, and you're coming back with the same confidence, and then you exit. And this has to be your visualization before going on stage for your every round. just comment wow below.